Hello guys, today we are going to set up a WordPress Autoblog using AI agent. It's very interesting to be able to plan the whole content strategy for the whole month, and I'm going to show you in very simple step how to do it. Basically, you need just 5 minutes of your time to be able to plan the whole contents and SEO strategy for the whole month. So let's start. So first, I'm going to go in the Content Writer AI agent, and I'm going to start looking for topic ID. So I'm directly talking with the content writer AI agent, and he's going to help me identify interesting topic that I could write for my niche. So here I have a website about AI agents, and I'm going to ask the content writer to tell me some nice interesting topic for this niche. Okay, so the AI agent already gave me some nice interesting ID to start with. I have the keywords here that you can see. I have the topic ID, the name basically of the title of the article that the AI suggests to publish. So what I can do here is select all. I can check a bit the parameter, so to check if the formatting is good, the structure of the article is good. I can change all of this. I can select the number of image. I'm not going to go too deep into detail about those parameters. I'm just going to save them, and I'm going to write with AI. So you can see that all those articles are currently getting written. And what I'm going to do in the meantime is that I'm going to go to integration here and connect my WordPress blog. So when a new article will be ready to be published, I can directly check this, select the WordPress integration, and it's going to automatically publish this article on the website. So while the content is getting written by the AI, I'm going to connect to WordPress, basically connecting Vume.ai with my WordPress blog. So how to proceed? I'm going to go here in user profile under my own admin account, and I'm going to go here into application password. I'm going to write Vume.ai free, for example. We can put whatever we want here. What is important is to get the password. So here we got the password. I'm going to copy paste this and put it in my integration module in Vume.ai. So here we go. We are here. We are connected. And by the way, I show you my password in this video. Of course, I will delete it. If you are working with your professional website, please don't share this kind of information with anyone. This is strictly private. So I'm going to connect now with WordPress. So all the tests are being done. Basically, Vume.ai is checking if all the permissions are set and see if everything can be executed on the WordPress. So we wait, and up, we are connected. Perfect. Now we are connected. So basically, we are going to come back to the content writer, and we can see that all the topic ID are not appearing anymore in the topic ID tabs. So basically that means that they are ready to publish. And this is where it's extremely powerful, and you can plan your whole content strategy for the whole month. And just for the purpose of this video, select all, and basically I can publish right now, but I can also plan the whole content strategy. So here I don't want to publish everything right now, and basically it's not really good in terms of SEO to publish plenty of content like this. So I'm going to plan this. So we can see that my now WordPress is connected. So what I can do is like starting right now today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to plan one article per day for the next weeks. So up, I'm planning all the publication. We wait a few minutes, and basically I can go in my calendar and I can see that everything has been published for this week and even for the next week. So you can see in few minutes how we can plan the whole content strategy. And by the way, all those articles are written already. They have been researched and written. You can go here, for example, and check one article. So we have the key takeaway, we have the AI that have been generated with image, we have some lists, we have some interesting conclusion and frequently asked questions. So very deep article following the parameter that I input. Of course, if I want a longer or more deep in terms of research article, I can set up those parameters. Here, another example. We have some list, we have some image describing the topic. We have a conclusion. We have some table here that are comparing different kind of AI agent versus traditional chatbot. What is the core difference between those two tools? So yeah, I think you got the point. The whole content strategy and SEO strategy have been planned in less than 10 minutes. And it's really good. So you can really focus, take more time on the strategy while the AI agent is taking care of all the very time-consuming operational tasks. So this is really the point of AI agent. If you want to give it a try, it's free. Go to Vume.ai and sign up. You will see all the interesting stuff here. Thank you and see you soon.